Hey guys, got a Honda CB450 Black Bomber here. Gonna do a cold start walk around video for you. Do the pipe grab. Do the pipe grab. Alright. Fuel on. Ignition. Shouldn't need a choke. Alright, starts right up and idles. So I'll just show some of the functions. Let's see. Headlight should be on. We'll do, got the bright, low beam. Horn works. Tail lights on. Got the rear brake switch. So I wanted to show this. It was hard to get photos of this, and it's kind of hard to see too. There's a little bit of staining on the tank side cover here. But the emblems look great. Got the original Yokohama tires on here, as far as I know. They're original. They're cracked, but you know, I had a hard time replacing the original tires on there, so we're just going to send it on the way. This side cover looks really good. Got the metal side covers here. We put some new stickers on there and new decals. Pipes that were on this thing look really good. Underside looks really good. Ding there. Hard to see. Some minor service imperfections, but for, you know, original pipes on a bike this age, I think it looks pretty good. A little bit looks like battery. Yeah, all in all, it's been a nice little bike. Alright. I figure we'll get that in them.